on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Chemistry MCQs for BS Nursing admissions. I am going to share past paper of 2024. Question number 71. Which of the following show trigonal pyramidal shape NH3? Question number 72. The concept of hybridization was introduced by Pauling and Slater. Question number 73. Measure of internal resistance of liquid is called viscosity. Question number 74. When enthalpy of reactant is higher than product, then the reaction will be spontaneous. Question number 75. Evaporation of water is possible at all temperature. Question number 76. Which one of the following is not the state of function pressure? Question number 77. Solution with maximum concentration of solute is called concentrated solution. Question number 78. The constant factors in Boyle's law is temperature. Question number 79. The spreading of fragrance in air is due to diffusion. Question number 80. Distillation under reduced pressure is destructive distillation. Question number 81. Multiples bond, double and triple bonds are treated as single bond by theory VSEPR. Question number 82. The protein part of enzyme is called apoenzyme. Question number 83. Which of the following liquid has the highest boiling points? Water, H2O. Question number 84. Viscosity of a liquid increases with decrease in temperature. Question number 85. CaCO3 is a polymorph and exists in two crystalline form, A, tetragonal and hexagonal. Question number 86. Which of the following statement is not correct for galvanic cell reduction occur at chode? Question number 87. Metal used for galvanization is zinc. Question number 88. The phenomena used to maintain pH fairly constant is called common ion effect. Question number 89. Which of the following enthalpy is in always positive? Enthalpy of combustion. Question number 90. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. Question number 91. Bond order in two molecules is 2. Question number 92. Galvanic cell which cannot be recharged are called primary cell. Question number 93. Total energy of system is called internal energy. Question number 94. A microscope property which has some definite initial and final value is state function. Question number 95. Hydrogen bond is present in NH3. Question number 96. Diamond and graphite are example of isomerism. Question number 97. The strongest acid among the following is HF. Question number 98. Which of the following cannot conduct electricity? NaCl solid, Cl solid. Question number 99. Boiling point of water is reduced at Mount Everest due to decrease in vapor pressure. Question number 100. What is the molarity of solution containing urea in 500 cm3 cube of solution? 0.5 molar. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. I will upload the past papers of BS and nursing soon. Stay connected. Thank you.